You've built a WhatsApp bot. It does one thing. Then you want it to check your calendar, new integration. Telegram too, another codebase. And now you want it to remember what you told it last Tuesday. You're maintaining 5 separate codebases and none of them share memory, context, or history. You've solved the same problem 5 times and none of the solutions talk to each other. This is the personal AI assistant problem, connecting one brain to every tool you use, without rebuilding it from scratch for each one. Think of a chief of staff. You give them one instruction, book a meeting, send the agenda. They know your calendar. They know who to contact. You don't tell them which phone to use. You just say what you want. OpenClaw works exactly this way. One central process, the gateway, connects to every messaging channel you use. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, all just delivery pipes into the same brain. Swap the channel, swap the AI model, nothing else changes. The brain stays. The integrations are just wires. Every message you send, WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, arrives at the same place, the gateway. A single WebSocket server on your machine at port 18,789. The channel connector receives the message, the gateway assigns it to an active agent session, and the session handles all the back and forth until the task is done. Because channels are completely decoupled from agent logic, adding Discord means writing one connector, not rewriting your agent. Point the gateway at Claude today, Gemini tomorrow, channels and tools don't care. OpenClaw ships with more than 20 channel connectors out of the box. Each one is a spoke. The gateway is always the hub. The gateway routes the message. Now the agent needs to know who you are. OpenClaw splits memory into 2 levels. First, episodic memory, a daily markdown log appended whenever you ask it to remember something. Second, semantic memory, a curated memory, MD file injected into every system prompt. Your preferences, your name, your working style. When a new message arrives, OpenClaw runs hybrid search, BM25 keyword matching plus vector similarity over every stored memory file. Recent memories score higher with a 30-day half-life. The top results are ranked, assembled into context, and handed to the model before it ever sees your question. Memory is what makes the assistant feel like it knows you. Context assembled. Now, what can the agent actually do? Skills are the tools: sending email, controlling a browser, updating a calendar, running shell commands. When the model decides to send an email, it emits a JSON tool call. The runtime validates the schema, executes the function, and feeds the result back as a tool message. The model decides what to do next. This loop repeats until the task is complete. Nodes extend this further: your phone, your Mac, your PC become execution surfaces. Ask your assistant to screenshot your laptop from your phone, and the gateway routes the command to the macOS node. One instruction. Multiple devices, 0 manual routing. 3 things break in production. First, memory retrieval. If episodic logs grow without pruning, hybrid search returns less relevant chunks, context quality degrades. Second, latency stacks. Every tool call is synchronous. Email plus calendar plus web search adds up. If your gateway is in Frankfurt and your LLM routes through a ceased one, that's 100 to 150 milliseconds of extra latency per hop. Third, model choice. A cloud model reads your private data. A local model via Alama stays on device but has lower capability. No free lunch. One inflection point matters. The moment you have more than one device or more than one channel, the gateway pattern becomes mandatory. Below that, a simple chatbot script works fine. 3 questions. Every personal AI assistant answers them the same way. Where does the request come in the channel? What does the agent know, the memory? What can the agent do, skills and nodes? OpenClaw's architecture is these 3 questions answered cleanly. The gateway multiplexes all channels into one session. The memory engine retrieves what matters through hybrid search. The skill and node layer executes the action on whatever device holds it. One brain, every tool, every device, every channel. The moment you decouple the channel from the brain, the whole system becomes reconfigurable. That's the design. That's OpenClaw.